Hey guys, it's me. If you want the most outstanding information that is so hard to believe, so hard to comprehend, so hard to get through, then stick around for a second. I'm not the fault for you not figuring stuff out. I'm sorry that it might sound confusing, but it's you just don't want to believe it. But you know what just happened in India? 72 people, loved children, grandmothers, mothers, fathers, grandfathers, 72 in India, field workers, farm workers, people who help feed the world, people who are lover, nutrients, ground based type people. They're dead. 72 of them by lightning in different areas of a huge country, different states, different towns, however they state them there. 72, and children were involved, and it was lightning. 72 in one day. Glowing phenomenon. You cluing in a little bit? Glowing eyes. You cluing in a little bit? No real craft ever? You cluing in a little bit? Bullshitters from way back when? Let's ignore them. Let's go forward from this. Nobody looks at my 5 years of documentation that brings us easily to all this light, weird stuff going on. Don't believe it's a light. Believe that it's an energy that is reflected as light. Our light is a light bulb. Don't think about a light. We got to do this, guys. And I'm sorry I'm the guy. I'm sorry this scruffy looking guy who picks at his nose and makes it bleed, who just lives in a van down by the river. But it's this guy, and it's because he's been living beside them for 5 freaking years, not going insane, but struggling with life just like everybody else does, and dealing with it, and sitting here explaining things. I can't help it if people think I'm crazy. I can think you're crazy. It's just our thoughts, I guess. But I'm talking about real issues here. I'm talking about thousands of children have gone missing. Thousands of women. Government's probably not telling us that there's also mutilated people that they're finding, like the mutilated animal epidemic of tens of thousands into the hundreds of thousands. Japan has 11,000 people went missing last year, just disappeared. As long as that fact, I understood it correctly. And it's an island of trees. And you guys don't even clue into what the trees are acting like. I don't know who sits in my corner at all. So it is what it is. And I'm talking like a human. So you don't like it? I'm just talking. Just telling you shit. My happy side's been gone for a little while, and I want it back. And how I get it back is I get to unload some of this, and I get to know people are actually along for the real ride. Oh, I popped in 6 months ago, Ian. Is there a lot more people dead? Is there a lot more people freaked out from what's going on? Is there a lot more avalanches going on? Is there a lot more world tormenting issues that humans aren't doing that are going on? I don't know. Check back in another 6 months, doughhead. But my people who get me, that are this many, I don't know. Do you listen this far? Does anybody go to the end of my video? I don't know. Don't know. Cheers.